As a React developer, you're supposed to follow React's rendering rules. But one common violation of these rules is this following error message. So cannot update component right here while rendering a different component. And so what this warning means is that because React wants rendering to be pure, meaning components should not cause side effects when they render, this warning usually means that you're calling setState or a similar update during the render of a different component and not during an event handler or a side effect. What this essentially does is it confuses React's reconciliation process and leads to unstable or unpredictable UI behavior. And so a common example of this right here is if we look right here, this is the culprit. We're using some setState call that we're passing as a prop right here outside of a side effect or an event handler. So it's not like in an onClick, for example, or in a useEffect hook. So what this essentially means is that the child component, so this child component right here, is updating its parent state while rendering. So while this one is rendering, which basically means this function is being called, it is updating the parent state, which is the app component, by calling setB, which of course is managed right here. And so because of this, React throws a warning because this setState is being called while React is still in the middle of rendering the DOM tree. So of course the correct way, and I'm sure most of you already knew this, but was just to use useEffect and have set be inside here. So now if I say click show component, we'll see setting B. We don't get any warnings in the console because we're using it inside useEffect. In other words, React no longer complains because the update is deferred until after the rendering is complete. And so let me give another example. So I've done useEffect, and of course the other common one is to use it inside an event handler, which in this case will be inside a handle change, which is passed to the onChange of a checkbox, which is this right here. And we can see if we just toggle it, we don't get any kind of warning message. And specifically, if setState is called inside an event handler, that means that React is batching the updates safely. I want to thank you for liking and subscribing. Check out my software and courses in the description. Take it easy.